Here we are on the beach. But to get here was a story from last week. Remember?
So me and Wendy are gonna brave the elements out there. It's still windy. Not as bad as yesterday, but ooh, looks like it just got a little windier now. We'll probably get sprayed and wet, but that's alright. Wendy looks good in the wet t-shirt. Making our way back here. Wind was just blowing too hard. Wendy was getting all wet, and then the motor just died. I rode and rode and rode and rode till I got behind a catamaran there, and then some dude here came to save us.
The wind and current are really strong here. We could have drifted away fast and far. But we didn't, and this is where we continue our story.
We deserve a little eating.
After that scare, we were hungry for some local food. Wendy needs her Creole cooking. Then I went alone to the police station about 10 minutes away.
I do the check-in here at the police, and I've been here already twice today, and the guy's not here to check me in. He said come in a half hour, came by an hour later, he still wasn't there. This is Vista. It's really tranquilo here. Police told me, just come back tomorrow at 9:30. No worries, you're gonna stay here for a while. I'm like, yeah. So, no stress to check in. I'm gonna go back to the boat, do some grocery shopping first, and then pick up Wendy. She's waiting for me at the restaurant there. Chill out and wait for tomorrow when there's less wind. Hopefully my dinghy engine will start without any problems. Maybe some water got in there because of all the spray when we were trying to get in.
We got groceries and came here.
Now we're in our favorite beach bar here in Vista. Love the spot. Place is cool, man. I gave in to my alcohol addiction. I had one beer. Been 2 days since I drank. I couldn't resist here.
Claro que sim, we could put it.
Não can put it. Wendy did good. She resisted. Me and Frock.
With Frock, sim.
Me não.
Vou te influenciar rápido.
She's strong. Not like me, weak.
I deserve that beer. Damn right I gave in to temptation here. Where are we again?
We had to roll back. My dinghy engine didn't work. Luckily the wind was with us, and I had beautiful Wendy to guide me. Now we just took a nice little shower out here because we're all salty from before. My engine doesn't start. I'm gonna have to tell you. I'm gonna have to fuck with that man tomorrow. Anyways, I gotta take some pictures of.
We're gonna take lots of photos here. I'll be posting them on our Patreon page for our gracious patrons. So why not get on board?
I kick ass. I fixed my dinghy engine. No problem. Because last night I watched a bunch of videos on it. And this morning I got up early, took the thing apart, cleaned out the carburetor. Seriously impressed Wendy.
She's a changed woman.
Which is important.
Wow.
Must impress the ladies of your team. First thing is she must help me cut this Yeti hair. It looks pretty gnarly. Look at that. I'm pretty gnarly. Man, I wish I had Wendy's hair. It's so cool.
I'm telling you, sailing will change your life, man.
After we have some lunch, we're gonna go back to land.
And this is one place I wanted to go with Wendy. We'll be taking more pictures. So come on, get on board our Patreon page.
I need a girl that can ride for me.
That dune is a lot bigger up close, and all this sand has been flown in from the Sahara Desert over thousands of years. And we're just a couple of specks kicking about these ancient waves of sand. Just beyond that dune are a couple of bars where once again I was tempted for a beer or grog. But I resisted. I can be strong.
You let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go.
It's mostly golden sand here, but there are these traces of the island's volcanic origins. This black sand is volcanic. But most of the beach is as you see it here. The beauty of this island for me is that it's not very developed yet. There are a few big hotels in the distance. And this relatively new venture, well, I'm not sure what it offers except a great spot for, pictures.
Yeah, I like it when you let me bring you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
My goal coming to this island was to get Wendy to develop her inner mermaid, to be a good swimmer, basically. And I promised to bring her to a place that has golden sand beaches and clear blue calm ocean. Get going, Wendy. Feel that mermaid inside you.
So me and Wendy have been doing the beach thing, man. It's so cool. I get to take pictures of her. She's so beautiful. Freaking hot and sexy. This place is cool, man. Wendy, this place cool?
So cool.
So cool. See, she even speaks English now.
This beach bar is called Morabezza. The term means easy living in local Creole. Wendy's great to look at, but look at this. Cabo Verde is a favorite willow kite surfing spot. Geez, I wonder why. And wonder why this place is most popular on the island? They also have music on weekends and reggae late Monday nights, where mostly locals go out.
Alright, we're heading back to Galopin. There's Wendy, my co-pilot. I fixed the end-out port engine just fine, look at that. That little fucker's chugging just fine. There's Galopin way over there. Needed to get some crap out of the carburetor. Got shook up too much yesterday with all that wind and waves. Oh, Wendy, ¿tú estabas cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mañana talvez nos puede dar para Those boys stopped by. They were thirsty. I gave them some water. I think they're strong enough to get back to the shore. It's not that much wind.
Music was coming from the shore, loud. It sounded like a sound check for a show. And guess what? It was. The music really started at midnight and went on until, well, about 9 in the morning. Hey man, it's Cabo Verde, no stress. And by the way, good morning.
Okay, fellow sailors, here we are on this little island. Just me and Wendy and a dozen tourists or so. Yeah, guys, really nice. Beautiful day today, not too much wind. We're gonna go explore. Check out Wendy's new outfit. It's hot. Doesn't she look beautiful? Spin around, fantastic. All right, gotta have a different tan line today. All right, let's go explore this island, see what we can find besides seashells.
This island is called Ilho do Salre, or Salt King Island. It was another spot I've been wanting to explore with Wendy. And yeah, take pictures. Again, sign up and come aboard our Patreon page. And what a perfect little beach for our mermaid in waiting. Will she be tempted by the water, like I am to drinks? Well, there's more coming here.
It says Stairway to War. It's not Stairway to Heaven, there's a fort there. Wow, nice, man. Napoli muram persona. Certeza.
And then Wendy goes pirate.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.